Welcome to the anniversary vlog.
Okay, wife.
Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot.
Welcome back. It is our 4-year anniversary today.
Feel like 5.
He's only saying that we got together in 2019. I keep telling him, stop counting 2019 as a year. I met you in September, sir, of 2019.
Come on, bitch.
So, I wanted to start the vlog because later on in this video, you guys are gonna get to see us go to Buffalo Wild Wings because we got a gift card and bowling and just like hang out, right? So, in
You're not gonna see the dog stuff we use later on.
I'm not doing nothing with this man. I am sore. But we're
No, she's not.
whatever. We're currently making some breakfast. I got my overnight oats. What's going on? I got overnight oats. We got some scrambled eggs and some bologna. Very basic. And I broke my fast today with Oreos. Terrible, but like it's my anniversary.
Terrible.
It's my anniversary, so there's no rules today.
You and Jack gonna get along very.
Jack loves me anyways. So, and he has to work today from 11 to 8. 11 to 8. That's all I got. Ugh.
I didn't make the schedule.
And then on Sunday, he works from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. I'm not gonna see my man for the rest of this week. Monday we're gonna be in Indianapolis, so like, what the hell? Well, October 12th, but it's much later in the day. It's like 3 going on 4 o'clock. But October 12th also, not only it's my anniversary with my husband of us like being together, but it's also the day that I got my shunt put in 2020. And so on my 1-year anniversary, me and his man woke up to me crying because I had my shunt surgery that morning. All right, I'm in the bathroom so I can use it. This can come off today. I'm sore. My arms are sore. My neck, my chest is sore where they got the tube. So like this day is like important. It's just really important. So I thought I'd come on here and let y'all know about that. I have idiopathic intracranial hypertension. Y'all may have seen me or heard me say I have pseudotumor cerebri. It's the same thing. It's all the same thing. And I have battled with this ever since 2012. And when I say I have become more resilient, I have become even better than what I was because like I had no choice, right? Life really was like stunted for me at a moment. Like life was still lifing, but it was like stunted for me because I had to learn all these things all over again. But being able to say that I am here where I'm at today, years later, almost like, well, 10 years later, still doing well. That means everything to me. I still have vision. You know what I'm saying? Like I still have usable vision. So 2012 to now, it's been a roller coaster, but I now have this amazing man that I can spend the rest of my life with. That means everything to me. Like, y'all, I love that man, but he's helped me through so freaking much when it comes to my vision loss. Like, so freaking much. I ain't gonna bore y'all with all that, but like, it just feels good. And then me and my best friend, that's the house guest, by the way. I don't think I said that, but me and my best friend have been talking the past couple of days, and I'm just like getting to clear up things with her from that's happened over the years. Like, it's, when I say the season that I'm currently in is called my healing journey, honey, I don't play about that. This is definitely a healing journey for me. Then Monday I go to my eye doctor appointment, and I'm gonna be able to see if my vision is okay. I'll vlog that. That'll be a short, so y'all see that. But like, life is going. It's going and it's not stopping. But October 12th, honey, baby, that's everything. That's everything to me. It means so much to me. I am fresh out my shower. It's a little bit before 3 p.m. and my husband gets off work at 3. So I just want to make sure I was out of the shower before he got home, so he can hop in the shower. Also, our AC had got fixed, and we got a new AC unit and a new heating unit in the house today. So it's amazing. I love that. So I want to change up my outfit. I kind of want to wear all black because I want to wear my knockoff Converse that I got from Walmart. But in order for me to pull that off, I would literally need to wear my crop top, my black Shein crop top to do this outfit. And the white and black shoes will obviously just make my all black fit pop, right? That's what I'm thinking. Cause like, we're going bowling first. That's what I want to do. I want to do bowling first before we sit down to eat. I'm not trying to put too much of this on my face, but like, my face felt like it was really dry before I took my shower, and after I did my skincare in the shower, I was like, that Pond's, that thick Pond's, it's gonna do what it needs to do. So that's what I'm thinking, is wear all black. Wear my my Spanx, my high-waisted Spankies, black leggings, put a black shirt on, tuck it in, that whole little fit. I just feel like I would look so cute. But my leopard would look cute too, because if I wear my leopard, that means I have to wear my heels. That's the only shoe that really go with it. So I'm about to go see. I'm about to go through outfit ideas. We made it to the bowling alley. We haven't started yet. We're still putting on our shoes. Say hi, babes. Gotta pick our balls. This one feels like, I feel like I can, oh shit. I feel like I could throw it. Let me see something lighter.
Okay.
Hey, bowling alley.
It's a strike. I be trying to help you. I be trying to help you.
He's going one round for me. What'd you get? What? We are done up here at the bowling.
Yeah, I bet so you're not by the sign or nothing.
By the bowling alley. I just showed the back of the building.
Yeah, you're on the side of it.
Just showed the back of the building. That was fun. He won. What you win by?
It was a 50-point margin. I'm lying. It was more like 40.
Because at the end, I started doing well. At the end. But my fingers, every time we bowl, these three, child, my fingers be messed up.
My fucking middle finger.
Yeah, like, it feels swollen.
Yeah, it's the tip of my middle finger, man. I don't know if I just need to get a bigger ball, but even then,
Because then,
it feel loose.
yeah, I was going to say, then it didn't feel too loose. But it was fun. But now we're waiting on a Lyft or Uber. So we can go eat.
Every time I release.
Is that how I found that? Please too much. Just state your statement.
I said, motherfuckers gonna realize to fear women.
Mm-hmm.
Especially, like, men, y'all gonna learn how to fear women.
Read the post.
Because there wasn't a post.
Oh.
But, the reason why, as a man, you should fear your woman, because, let me be like this. Me and Isha, I love the hell out of Isha.
Mm-hmm.
She loves the hell out of me.
Yes, ma'am.
She knows everything about me.
Mm-hmm.
Knows everything about her. And with that being said, that means she knows everything that's going to lead to my fucking downfall. And the crazy part is, as a man, I know I'm not as petty to take it there.
Mm-hmm.
If we were to ever get a divorce or something.
Mm-hmm.
You? Hell no. Hell no. Like, I will stop right below the kneecaps. Your ass, no, decapitation. He gotta go. Matter of fact, what's in his pocket? Give me the wallet. Oh, alimony? Take that out of his check.
I want all of it.
They will bleed your ass dry. So, if you don't fear your woman,
There's a problem.
there's a problem. Either she don't realize the power she has, or you're underestimating her. Cause my thing is, I have seen women with their claws out. I have seen women with their saber-tooth cat mode out.
Oh my gosh.
Shit is not good for the niggas. Shit is not good. So I'm just saying, I know what it's like.
So keep her happy.
Shit, survive. Survive. I ain't gonna say keep her happy. Survive. Well, keep her happy. That's the best way.
That's the best way to get
Best
it.
way. But survive, my nigga. Peace out, motherfuckers.
Okay, so we just got finished eating, waiting on our Uber. Dinner was good. This man damn near was not about to take, because his fries didn't get a look to go box. But who takes free fries?
I do.
I think my man's a cheapskate.
Then on top of that, don't forget the cheese.
The cheese curds was wrong. But we had good service outside of the kitchen fucking up. We had good.
God damn, what flavor the can?
I'm sorry. Outside of the
Hit me in my eyes.
sorry. Outside the cheese curd makes up what I'm supposed to have.
Everything's black.
That's not how that works.
Everything's black.
After I was supposed to get onion rings with my cheese curds. What? I was supposed to get onion rings with my burger, and cheese curds came instead, like a lot of them. So we got that off. But dinner was good. Dinner was great.
Gotcha.
Nice. Yeah. She's the white cat.
Holy rain down
But how was your date night?
there. It was good, you know, man. I got hit in the eye, though.
Are you dying?
I'm ready.
So dramatic. He's on thin ice. I'm not playing with him.
Who's on thin ice?
He's on thin
I
ice.
ain't on thin as shit.
But I'm gonna see y'all probably tomorrow. I ain't got nothing. I ain't got nothing to talk about.
You got a lot to talk about.
No, I really don't. I don't. So, see you tomorrow. I would hope you do. These are strangers.
I know her better than herself.
That's a goddamn. I know you better than yourself.
No, I know you better than
Oh,
yourself.
honey bun, honey
Man,
bun, honey.
this is the same person who lied about what was in somebody's shopping cart. First of all, I don't even have shit in no shopping cart. Talking about, yeah, you shopping cart for months. What?
I did not say months.
Weeks, days, whatever.
No.
There was a set time frame that something was sitting in your cart. Then she quickly tried to put it all on me.
Did I?
Yes.
That's not true.
6 months. Wow.
Anyways, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I talk to y'all, cause my husband.
You see? I told you talking about when we talking about it.
Oh, she gonna stop something.